video we're going to talk about the importance of SUMPRODUCT and when to use it instead of having to use just the sum function. So you might be faced with an array like this right here, and so for this clothing store we have a list of products, and this is the quantity of products sold and also the price of each product. And so what you're tasked with is finding out the total amount of revenue that was brought in that day. And so typically what you would do is multiply these two columns, your quantity by your price. So we'll go ahead and do that. Multiply the quantity by the price, and we can drag that down, and we have the individual prices that we got for each item. And then we would use our sum function to add up all these prices to get the total for that day. So we'll do our equals sum, and we'll add all these together. And so doing all that, we got that our total money brought in for that day was about $1,400. And this is a very small example. A lot of times it'll be much larger than this, and so it can be tedious to do that extra step and it uses up extra space that you don't need to get that sum total. So that's where SUMPRODUCT comes in, and SUMPRODUCT will actually take out this whole step right here, and it'll just give you this number at the bottom. And so for SUMPRODUCT, essentially what it does is it multiplies whatever your one variable is. So like for this is shirts, it'll multiply that, save that number, and then do that for all of them, and then add up those at the end. And so it takes out that whole factor that we had to do right here. So SUMPRODUCT equals SUMPRODUCT. That's what the function is called. And it's going to ask you for an array. So our first array will be our quantity. There's the first one, and we're multiplying it, so do a comma, by our second array. And that's all we'll need. We'll hit enter, and as you can see we have the same price that we did right here, just much quicker, and we took out that extra step. Alright, I hope that helps. Have a nice day.